Hello, and welcome to Lab 1. UR5 and Omron TM14 robots. A couple of tasks that I'm going to be completing in this lab is performing a pick and place for the UR5 and the Omron as well. We'll go ahead and start off with the UR5. Right here we are demonstrating jogging using the teach pendant of the UR5. The UI on this system is very useful for troubleshooting when you're jogging. You have to go to each waypoint individually and hit auto in order to run that movement sequentially. Like I said, this is a useful tool for making sure your robot is moving accordingly to how you set your waypoints up. And I'm just jogging through our pick and place program right now. Going through all of the points. Here is our program for the pick and place. You can see I've added the EMI gripper released movement on the very first. That is to ensure that the gripper is always open before it goes down to pick up its first block. The reason behind that was because we saw an issue of whenever we were troubleshooting and the gripper hadn't been released, it would run into the block, causing a fault. So that is the pick and place. Picking up a block, setting it in another location, and returning home. Next we have our palletizing. This task was a little weird. We ran into a complication of the UR5 setting the Z below our table. So at times the gripper would run into the table, causing a fault for us. And due to time constraints, we weren't able to accurately line out our 4 points for our square of our pallet. You can see here in the program, we have our waypoints for those 4 corners of our pallet. And you'll see at the end of this part of the video, our pallet is a little out of alignment, and that is due to the way we set up our 4 corners. All in all though, we did add 2 different types of movement into this program. Most of the picking up and placing onto the pallet is a joint move. The only linear move we have is when it returns to its approach point, which is right here. So we were able to get the 3x3, but like I said, it's a little out of alignment just because of that 4th corner. We weren't able to get that aligned. Moving on to our Omron robot. You can see here we have our jogging. It's a little different on this UI. In my opinion, it's a lot more user-friendly. We have the step run function on the Omron, which allows the user to jog the robot through its sequence. A little more user-friendly. All we would have to do is just tap on the point that we want to jog and then hit step run, and that allows us to run through the sequence. Here in the program for the pick and place, two different types of movements were used in this as well, same as the UR5. The majority of it is the joint movement, and then I believe our linear movement was it returning to home. And this is the robot running through its pick and place program now. It's looped, so it will continue to run. And this is the program for our palletizing operation. And again, tube movements here used here. I know it's kind of hard to see the program, and I've sped up the video just because this is a lengthy process. I believe the only linear movement we have on this program is when it retracts from setting a cube down. All right, thank you for watching.